What do you have?
I'm waiting for a seal to come out.
You're waiting for him to come out?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
A seal.
A snail? Now what's he doing?
I'm taking a ride on his motorcycle.
What's he doing?
Taking a ride on his motorcycle.
Does he like it?
Mm-hmm.
Is he awake?
Sleepy.
He's sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
How come?
Because he's afraid of people.
Because he's afraid of people, so he's sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's Batman doing? Is he okay with sharing his motorcycle?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, alright.
He will be over.
Oh, he's not sitting on the snail, is he?
Mm-mm. He just he's not on a snail. He's just taking a ride with him on a motorcycle.
Where'd you find the snail?
On a set.
On the steps?
Mm-hmm.
Is he awake yet?
Mm-mm.
Well, don't keep throwing him on the ground. You're probably scaring him even more. Oh, he's coming out. Now he's mad.
He's mad?
Yeah, because you keep dropping him on the ground. Oh, be gentle. What's he doing?
There you go.
You want to go put him back on the steps where he came from?
There's
Where do you think he wants to go?
He's probably and go on the step.
All right. Say bye-bye, Mr. Snail.
He has a long neck.
He has a long neck? Let him curl around, okay?
Oh, I was just seeing him. Let me put him on the grass
Okay.
so he can go on the grass. He cannot go on grass.
He can go on the grass if he wants.
He's afraid of the grass.
I think he's afraid of you.
I think he's afraid of walking in the grass.
Well, why don't you put him over there on the rock?
Okay. I think this is a better home for him.
That's a better home for him? Okay. Look, he's trying to get away from you.
This rock maybe is so far. This is a better